I'm Patrick Bailey with whiteboardcoder.com. Today is July 1st, 2018, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install new lift supports in a 2000 Toyota Sienna minivan. Okay, so my Toyota minivan, the sport lifts are getting, they age over time, they don't hold up so well. So right now I can get it up there. It holds once it gets up there, but it's kind of a slow journey getting up there to push a little bit. So I decided to go buy some new ones. I got them off Amazon. And I'll put a link in the show notes showing here's where I got them. So there's 2 rear hatch lift gates. And it looks like they're currently unavailable. But looking at my notes, I think I spent a little under $30 on these. So there you go. So over time, these are probably original what I have in there right now. So they've been in there, if that's the case, they've been in there 18 years. And so they're way overdue for getting replaced. So it's going to be a real easy job, a real simple job. And what I'm doing should apply to a lot of other cars. So let's go quickly install these new lift supports. Lift supports. Okay, so earlier I came out and I actually did replace one of my lifts here. And even just with the one lift, it's working a lot better. So if I try to open it, it actually goes all the way to the top by itself. There you go. Now, when you do this, when you take this apart, you probably want a buddy to hold this. I did this morning by myself with the other lift actually still working, but I was really careful, and I still got bonked on the head. So once you take these off, this is this is pretty heavy, and it will hit you pretty hard, even with just one on there. So be careful not to bonk yourself on the head like I did. So most of these lift supports are really easy. They're cake to put on. The only difficulty is a slight difficulty in taking them off sometimes, and so we'll take this off. So this guy, both of them have some kind of like retaining ring on here. And so if you look in here real close, you'll see this metal piece right here. And all I need to do is pop this guy all the way off to make my life easy. Just get that ring off there. And I'm going to do the same with the top, which you probably got to come around here to the corner to see it. And so all I'm going to do, in taking these off, the lift should still stay on, the lift support. Get off. Come on. There we go. So see, it's still on, but it could come off pretty easy. So I got those guys off. And here's my new one. And you'll see those are on there, but I don't need to do anything with them. They're kind of there to hold on and hold it in place really well. So all I'm going to really do is put this on and slam it on, and it should hold. So I will pull just that easy, see, comes off. Set that one aside. And here I am holding this up because even with just one, it's going to come down and bonk you on the head real good. And then what you want to do, just push that in real hard, and now it's on. And then what I had to do here, is in this case, it's not angled right. So I just took a crescent wrench real easily, gently, and just gently turned it 90 degrees so it lines up with where it should be. Push this up all the way, and then get it on that easy. So it's a real difficult job. And now that I got both of them are new, it's going to take a little more effort to close it, but not bad. And now it goes real smooth. So easy fix for under 30 bucks. And you're not going to get bonked on the head. But be careful, because if you don't have someone helping you, you can nail your head like I did this morning. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @whiteboardcoder.com. View any code I may have thrown up as a gist at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at whiteboardcoder.com.